What's poppin', everyone? Welcome to Gap Trades. You already know who it is. It's your host with the most, Jermaine Hatcher. And today's topic is on day trading and how much it actually costs to get started. That was probably all stuttery and all that, but who cares? That's the topic. So let's go ahead and dive right on into it. And we are back. Yes. So, is it easier to get started day trading futures rather than stocks? Yes, it is. To get day traded stocks, you have to have $25,000 in your day trading account, and you cannot go under that. Period, point blank. To get started day trading futures, on the other hand, you only have to have a margin account with $2,500 in it. But to trade certain contracts, you need to have a certain amount of money. Let's say you wanted to trade crude oil. You only have to have $5,500 to get started day trading that. The US dollar index, you only have to have $2,500 in your margin account to get started day trading that, which only for one contract costs you $1,800, right? But the market that we focus on here is the mini size Dow. That's the market that we trade. And to get started day trading that, where we at? Here we go. Mini gold. To get started day trading mini size Dow, you have to have $6,100 in your day trading account. That's it. $6,100 to get started day trading, and for one tick, it's $5 per tick. So one tick is 1 point. So for 1 point, it's $5 per point. So right now, the market is up 110 points. Depending on what the trade was, it will be about $550. Let's just go ahead and look at it. We'll look at a trade that we were in, a momentum trade from last night. As you can see, it went up 111 points, so it was $555 for that trade. So, in all actuality, to get started day trading, it's better to start off in the futures market rather than the stock market, because all you have to have is $2,500 in your margin account rather than $25,000. That's it. So, as you can hear, the bell just went off. We're about to get ready and start trading. Y'all be smooth. And there we have it, everyone. That's the end of the discussion. So, as you can see, it's better on your trading journey if you're getting started day trading to get started day trading in the futures market rather than regular stock equities, because quite simply and quite frankly, it's just cheaper. You know what I'm saying? It's $6,100 compared to $25,000. I mean, you do the math. So that's it. I will holler at y'all later on, and everybody be smooth. All right? Cool.